What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to do a infinity ponytail look with this deep wave hair in a 16-inch bundle. Yes, just one 16-inch bundle and you can achieve this look. So if you want to see how I get it, let's get right into the video. What is up, you guys? Today I want to do my infinity ponytail with Brazilian deep wave hair. So it's going to look, I already braided my hair down in a ponytail, and I'm sorry, I have a little hair hanging out my ponytail. So I'm gonna fix that. I have a little bit of hairspray on my brush, and I just brush it up to get all those little flyaways. And then I'm gonna do my edges when I finish. So I'm gonna start with the ponytail. With one bundle. It really doesn't take a lot to do this, so I only use one bundle, as you see here. And what I do at the end is I put a bobby pin right there. Then I'm gonna grab the end of my ponytail, and with that bobby pin, I'm just gonna go into my ponytail going upwards. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the bottom. And you wanna do this kind of tight as well. And I'm gonna go up with the ponytail. And as you go up, you're gonna wanna bobby pin it. It doesn't take a lot of bobby pins. I use about 5 to do this. So you just wrap. Trying to pull in to tighten it. I'm gonna stop right here. Grab another bobby pin and stick it get the tracks in there, and then we'll put it in my ponytail going up. And I kind of like my ponytails to hang from the side, which is why I'm doing it from the side. But if you want it to hang like in the middle, you should definitely do it from the middle spot. Like, I don't know how to show you what I mean. For the middle spot, I mean like back here. So now I'm going to continue to wrap. Come on, that bobby pin needs some hair up the ponytail. And I'm kind of wrapping it in the middle now. But mostly I want it to hang from the side. And then I'm going to put a bobby pin right here. And then the next couple of bobby pins I'm going to use for wrapping it around the base of my ponytail. And there we go. I'm just going to wrap it around the base. So basically this is kind of on the spot, get ready with me. I'm on my way to work. So I decided, let's do a ponytail today. And I was like, wait, I have to film that video anyway, so I might as well do it in this video. So I'm gonna stop the track in the back of the ponytail. It could go up a little farther, but I want it to be placed in the back because I'm sticking my bobby pin at the bottom of the ponytail. And so this is the ponytail before I curl define it. So I'm gonna curl define it and I'm gonna do my edges and then I'm gonna come back and there's a little quick tutorial on how to. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and this is my end result. Look at that, look at that luscious ponytail. Swinging all over the place. It's secure. My ponytail is secure, not falling out.